morning. This is Shabina from SNS Institution of Technology, and I'm assistant professor working for MBA department. So last class we discussed about the nature of strategic management. In this session we are going to see about the strategic risk and the operational risk that could occur through risk and also the benefits that we could attain from strategic management. So why is it important? So each and every concept there is pros and cons. So we are going to see what are the pros and cons of strategic management. And we shall start up with benefits of strategic management. So the pros of strategic management as well as. So here enhancing under that we are going to discuss about the enhancing the performance of strategic management. So strategic management helps an organization in achieving superior performance by aligning resources with strategic objective. So basically we could say that it enables an organization to improve its capital, its opportunities and its challenges that it's going to face and update with the trend with the continuous improvement concept. Then the next topic that we are going to discuss under benefit is the competitive advantage. So competitive advantage is the basic concept that every organization is running behind. So it helps in the developing and implementation of effective strategy for running an organization and sustaining this in the market for a long period of time. So it helps the organization in differentiating themselves from the competitors and other creative value customers, creating value to the important customers. So the third point that we are going to discuss here is the resource optimization. By prioritizing goals and allocating resource efficiency, strategic management ensures optimal utilization of organizational resource. So what we are going to see here is we have to always optimize the resources that that comes under this is the raw materials, the manpower, the methods that we are going to use. Everything should be optimized and efficiently maintained to run the business continuously for a long period of time. It helps the organization to focus on the effort on the activities that contribute most to achieve their strategic objective. So this paves a very basic platform for the organization to grow to an higher ends. Then we are going to talk about the risk of the strategic management, the cons of the strategic management as well as. Under this we are going to see about the first topic is the strategic misalignment. So here we could see that poorly formulated or implemented strategy or a bit of small misplacement of some framing during framing could bring to a big loss. So poorly formulated or implemented strategy can lead to a misalignment with organizational objectives and values. Such misconceptions could give a bad value and bad goodwill to the company. Inconsistent execution of strategy across different departments. So this is a win-win situation for all the departments who have to participate together to achieve the organizational goal and objective that could lead for a very long period of time. So the second part of the risk is the resource constraints. So it could be because of the external factors as well as the internal factors that we talk. It could be because of limited finance, manpower, the new technological methodologies and so on. So there could be failures to allocate resources. For example, you could see that in COVID period we saw that the receiving of raw materials, it took long period of time. We could not get vegetables and other things. All such natural disaster or climatical disaster or some strikes or bunds or any such disasters or factors can influence. So we have to always procure raw materials in previous and keep for the purpose of continuous manufacturing and production and continuous development. So when we delay, we are going to lose a big lot of business in period of time, right? Then we see about the third concept where we have competitive pressure. This pressure happens when the competitors' new products arrive into the market and they grow equally with hand in hand along with us. So our business has to be in leading and in the first creamy layer, and we have to run each and every second to achieve the same. So we have to frame, as we saw, we have to first frame it, then implement the same, then evaluate, and this should be a cyclic process then and there to maintain yourself and sustain in the market. So here so overview of this, when we see that strategic management plays an important role in the organizational set in manufacturing or any firm that we are going to run. So exploring here we have discussed about the benefits and risks, the pros and cons of strategic management, and how it could be framed for a better result that we could attain from it.